Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming and son. Now I am going to discuss one topic in OOPS concept, that is access specifiers. Here how we can declare a variable or method using public or private or protected. See here I am discussing only how we can declare. Just check here. Here public, private or protected. So here public means here we already know this, from any class we can access. So private means it is restricted to that class only, that class where it is declared. And the protected means it can be just not only restricted to the same class, it also used in the inherited class, that class as well as and inherited class. So from that class or from the inherited class we can access that variable or method. So that is called the private or public or protected. So now we need to understand how we can declare these access specifiers in the Python programming. So declaration in Python. So here, so a public, so public variable not having anything, whereas private we need to declare with 2 underscore before that variable name, whereas protected having single underscore. So with examples I'll show. Let us say class student. So def underscore underscore init underscore underscore comma self comma some name comma roll number. Let us say this name is a protected one, roll number is a private one. So how we can declare? Self dot underscore name is equal to name. That means here the name variable is a protected one. Let us say self dot underscore underscore roll number is equal to roll number. That means this roll number is a private. So like that we can declare the things. Let us say method also, sometime method also private or protected. Let us say private method how I can declare is, so def underscore underscore some display role self. So print self dot underscore underscore roll number. So like that this method is a private method. This method is a private method. So whereas protected means here def serve single underscores like display something, display name self colon print self dot single underscore name. So here this method is a protected. Public is if you declare even anything like public, let us say self dot age is equal to age. So this is a public. So we can declare any method or variable using public or private or protected using if it is a single underscore then it is a protected, double underscore that is a private, if I am not having any underscores that is a public. So this is a way we can declare this access specifiers in the Python programming. So hope you understand. So thank you.